Hello, Giovanna Tucker here, and welcome to 100 Days of Today is Going to Be Awesome. Can today be awesome, or at least not suck, for 100 days in a row? Every day I'll be posting a video for 100 days to do just that. See you inside. And remember, today's going to be awesome. Hello, it's Giovanna from Today's Going to Be Awesome and Money Mindset for Women. And I have a really quick one for you today. And that is, completely lost my train of thought. Right, that's it. Stop, drop and roll. Stop and take a break right now. Grab your pen and paper, put a timer on your phone, and for 5 minutes, write down everything good that's happened to you today. This is not something that you can hear about and then be like, okay, cool, yep, and not do. This only works if you do it. Right? So right now, for 5 minutes, write down everything good that has happened to you today. Even if you have to be crazy about it, even if you have to really dig, like I woke up today, so I'm still alive. The sun is out. I made it to work on time. Just do it, because the more you focus on good things, the more good things that will come. So then next time you do it, it'll be a bit easier because you've been practicing on what's making you happy. So if you do it again tomorrow, you might find more happy things happen to you tomorrow, more good things happen to you tomorrow. And if you do it the next day, you'll find even more good things happen because you're focusing on the good things, and like attracts like. Alright? So do this right now. Unless you're driving. Otherwise, even if you're at work, I don't care, do it. But if you're driving, don't do it. So please do this now. We need to make our lives more happy. Why are we here? We're not here to be miserable. Alright? Remember, today's going to be awesome.